Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan. If it's your first time watching, thank you for joining us, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff so you can be the first to know whenever we come out with any of these really healthy, fun, and simple recipes. So today we're going to be making another mixed fruit juice, which is made with passion fruit, naranjilla, and mango. So naranjilla or Lulo is a fruit that is native to Ecuador and Colombia. It's native to here, and you can find it all throughout Latin America. It's kind of like an orange, if you will. It's a citrus fruit like an orange, but it's not an orange. When you cut them open, they are green in the inside. You can't really see like how green they are. Hold on, let's see. They're green. You can kind of see that. Yeah, so they taste, they're not quite, kind of reminds me of a grapefruit, maybe? Not really. I don't know, but it's a citrus fruit. It's really good. I love it. So today we'll be making a juice made with all these wonderful fruits. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll be using a base of, since it's a lot of fruit, we're gonna be using a base, so you guys can see what we're doing here. A base of, okay, you can't see me. Sorry guys, hold on, technical difficulties. Okay, that's how to do. We'll be using a base of 3 cups of water. We'll be using 1 cup of mango. Fortunately, all my mango is already chopped up, so all I gotta do is put it in here. Yum, yum, yum. So yeah, 1 cup of mango. Then we'll be using 1 passion fruit. Fortunately, I already cut my passion fruit, so just saved all the goodness from the inside. But this was 1 passion fruit. I don't really know how much, like as far as a cup goes, but it was 1 passion fruit. So if you use a passion fruit, not like a huge one, I didn't use a huge one. It was probably like a little bit smaller than this, but nonetheless, it was still a passion fruit. And then last but not least, our naranjilla or Lulo, depending on where you're at. In Colombia, they call it Lulo, I believe. And you kind of cut it, you would do it how you would, it's really juicy. So you would use it, or like cut it, or open it, whatever. How you would a orange still, and then you just kind of take out all the goodness inside. You kind of peel it, that's the word I was looking for. Sorry guys, brain fart. I cut it, because I wanted you guys to see it instead of just peeling it. But if you just peel it, you just put the whole little bloop. It's like a little, it's literally like an orange. It's like an orange, it don't taste like an orange. Yeah, it reminds me of a grapefruit, but not, I don't really know. It's really good though, I love it. So let me wipe my hands real quick. All right. So since a lot of these fruits are kind of tart, they're not the sweetest, minus the mango, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar in here. So we're using 1 tablespoon of sugar. And again, if it's not sweet enough, you can always add, but if it's too sweet, you can't take it away, unless you dilute it, and that just throws everything off. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up and see how it goes. Let's go. So I normally mix this on the second setting, the second setting for about a minute, and then I'll gradually go down to the first setting for like 30 seconds, just to make sure it's well blended so that, you know, yeah. So that made about 5 cups of juice for us, and we're gonna go ahead and taste test because, you know, you gotta taste test everything. Okay, so I didn't use a lot of sugar. The mango wasn't as sweet as I anticipated. So I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons of sugar, but it's good. It's good, just not as sweet. And I'm just gonna be real, I like a little bit of sweetness, ain't nothing wrong with that. Especially being that we use our natural brown cane sugar. I try and make sure it's like just a tablespoon. I know one of my videos, like the sugar was piled up. It's like, yeah, that was definitely like 2 tablespoons, but yeah, so. Now we're gonna remix it and see how it comes out. And a lot of times once the flavors kind of sit, or the sugar kind of melts a little bit more, it does get sweeter as well. Just a little note. Perfect. So this is not an overwhelmingly sweet drink, but it's really good and really refreshing. You can taste a lot of the mango. The mango has a really strong flavor, and the tartness from the passion fruit in the Lulo or Naranjilla is not overly tart. So it's like a really good balance. It's not overly sweet. I like it. It's something I would definitely drink daily. Yeah, it's really refreshing and flavorful. I just like fruit, guys, so if you guys give this drink a try, comment and let me know how it turns out for you. Unfortunately, if you're in the United States or, I don't know, anywhere else, you might not be able to find this fruit, the precious Lulo. But if you are able to find it, definitely check it out. It's really good fruit. And yeah, so. Alrighty, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one.